Bro, you better get a shit ton of AP.
I just bought a shit ton of HP or AP.
Resilience and utility. No?
Holy. I might be blocked here.
You're good, you're good. I got you. Back up a little. Back up a little. Alright, good.
She
Oh,
flashed
wait,
that?
you still hit him. You still hit him.
Yeah.
I got you. I got you. Here, get this. Get the plant.
I couldn't.
Okay, get the top one. He's stuck. Alright, kill this guy. Nice. I got you with this guy. Yeah, we win. Nice.
Yeah. Yup.
Alright.
Uh-oh. Missed my combo.
Oh. Yeah, I'm fine. Alright, go on Nocturne. Let's get him out of here. Yeah, they're not doing much damage.
I missed.
Oh fuck, I missed too. Get Nocturne. He's low.
Can you go top? Can you do some? Just take. You're gonna have to take this one. She's
I think we won, yeah.
Yeah, we should.
We're good.
She flashed.
She flashed.
She
good.
flashed. Why am I getting these? I got the worst ones. I shouldn't have used on my rerolls, but
Wait, this Orna has 4 kills.
yeah.
That kind of scary. That's kind of scary. Yeah, that's okay.
Can you get top?
Demo?
Yeah.
Nice, good kill. Watch the walls.
Shit, I missed.
I'm low. Wait, back off a little if you can. I'm gonna take. Oh, actually, you're good.
I don't have abilities.
I'm good.
He should be
We
dead.
kill him.
Yeet! Oh, I missed. Boom! Oh,
Let's go.
we were trolling him.
I need stacks.
Dude, Heartsteel.
Bro, shut the.
I didn't even
up.
say anything.
Dude, I see you.
I
You're
didn't.
face palming, you
I
fucking
didn't
bitch.
say anything.
Okay,
I
ready?
can't get hit.
Come here. Don't get hit.
I got flashed on.
You're good. Run.
Anybody.
I'm just attacking Amumu from the bottom. Wait, Amumu's low.
I'm low.
Keep running. You're fine. I got you.
Oh.
We're good. We won.
I'm here.
Oh fuck! I kind of threw that, bro. Yeah, I low-key threw that. I'm going in.
They're going in on me.
I got you.
I'm going top.
Hit the top one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Echo has no ult.
Holy shit. Beat his ass. Nice. Oh, what an ult. Get the bottom one. We got it. Nice. Nice. I think you won this.
Nope.
Oh, what?
Fuck. Or I get one shot actually.
I killed him. I got you. Just keep going.
Yeah. I'm here. Don't let her.
He's gonna get it. It's fine. Just kill Caitlyn.
No, he doesn't.
What?
Void staff it is. Alright, we'll see if
What's
we beat them.
great?
We could one-shot them. We should be able to.
I'll do all I can to help.
Oh, I'm taking heavy damage.
Oh my gosh. They just took that shit.
Oh shit.
My bad. Wait, I just died.
Is there no...
Jeez.
I didn't land any abilities there. Too fast.
Dude, they low-key like melted me. I mean, I don't even take it off. Cause I have Ocean Soul. Oh wait, we win this no matter what. Like,
I died.
oh really?
I don't have abilities. Fuck. Yes!
Woo!
That was clutch or kick. We're facing Senna again.
Nice. It's going.
I took heavy damage.
So does she. Nice. Oh fuck. Oh no.
She's so tanky.
Wait, just get Senna.
Yeah, I can't.
Oh my god, we win this, come on.
Oh my gosh!
No!
How much did my electrocute? My electrocute is doing garbage. Oh shit!
Ult?
I did ult. I'm still here.
You up top?
Yeah. I missed.
Okay, I got on the team now.
Shh, that fucking horn.
Nice. He's kind of low. He didn't get his team out though, which is kind of stupid.
Nice, nice, nice.
Take a Goliath. Look at me.
You're huge. You're huge, Yordle. We have to burst them before 15 seconds or else they go invulnerable.
Before 15 seconds?
Yeah.
Dude, why do we always get... Oh, it's not this map, actually.
Alright, we can... Alright, ready? Let's go.
Dude, you see what happens when it's not that map?
Oh! I got one shot.
It's dead.
Yeah.
Huh.
Well,
I don't know.
The rest of the matches didn't go so well.
Doesn't your autos do AP damage or no?
yeah.
I thought your whole kit was AP.
It is. We lost.
I'll try. No.
That's my bad. My champ is garbage.
Oh, I missed. I don't know where he is either. Oh,
There he is. What the
Wow.
fuck?
There. Oh.
Oh my god!
80 barb.
What are you talking about? That was
Let's go. I'll just go on whoever you got.
oh!
I just collectively, but
Oh my god.